All right, everybody. So this week we've been talking about plot. And remember, there's different types of parts in a plot. We have the exposition, the rising action, the turning point or the climax, and the falling action. Remember, the exposition is the very beginning of the book, talks about characters and setting. We have the rising action, which are events that happen after the conflict is introduced in a book. And the rising action is pretty much everything that happens after the problem. And it rises up on the plot mountain, right? Or on the roller coaster. It just keeps rising up, rising up. It keeps getting higher and higher. More tension, more suspense keeps happening until you reach the tippity top of the mountain or the roller coaster and we have that turning point or climax, the most important part of the story, the most exciting and thrilling part of the story. And the story tends to shift and change a little bit when we get to this turning point. So, this is the most important part. And then after that, we get to the falling action. So, it's kind of the opposite of the rising action. It slows down. Okay, so after the most important part, things tend to slow down a little bit, and they start to slow down because we're getting towards the end of the story. So, um, that's a little overview on plot stuff. And what you're going to do today is you're going to read all of these events from the Three Little Pigs that we talked about this week, and you're going to put them in either the exposition, the rising action, the turning point, or the falling action. So, as I'm reading these to you, please think about which category you think they would fall under. The first one says the characters are the three little pigs and the big bad wolf. The setting takes place in an open field of land. Pig number one builds house made of straw. Wolf blows it down. Pig number two builds house made of wood. Wolf blows it down. Pig number three builds house made of brick. Wolf can't blow it down. Wolf can't blow house number three down. He gets really angry. He jumped into the chimney. Wolf gets stuck into a burning hot bowl of soup. So, again, please drag and drop each one of the sticky notes. There's only 4 of them into either the exposition, the rising action, the turning point or climax, and falling action.